According to information that came in recently, AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Brawner confirmed that Prey Ferdinand Marcos Jr. already agreed to the purchase of multi-role fighters, and balls to finalize the deal now with AFP and DND. This is actually nothing new since Prey Marcos has approved a Horizon 3 spending list worth nearly PHP 2 trillion over 10 years, which includes plans to acquire 40 or more new brands of multi-role fighters. As we mentioned in our previous post, the Phase 1 MRF acquisition project is expected to be awarded to the winning backer in 2024. The Commander-in-Chief has now given the full signal for the Philippine Air Force to purchase multi-role fighter jets for the procurement project of the same name. This confirms previous information that the potential for budget disbursement will occur soon, and program implementation will most likely take place this year. While the MRF project choice of the Philippine Air Force is with Saab's Phase 39 Gripen EF variant, the Air Service Branch's announcement of no final decision on which platform to choose actually comes with how sweet the bargaining is between the participating bids. With the plan to increase the FY 2024 AFP modernization program budget by the Philippine Senate is highlighted by several senators led by the chair of the Senate. Juan Miguel Zubiri will be used to improve the country's air defense capabilities. While not specifically stated, our sources confirmed that this is more specifically for air interdiction, including ammunition and support equipment. The additional funds planned to be added in 2024 are more than enough for a 15% down payment deposit for more multi-role fighters than the initial plan of 12 to 14 fighter jets. It remains to be seen how the DND and the Philippine Air Force will decide how to use the funds if they do become available to them next year. The country's defense sector will receive P282.7 billion to fund land, air and naval forces defense programs in 2024. Chairman Martin Romualde confirmed at a security forum on Friday. In a forum organized by alumni of the National Defense College of the Philippines, Romualde said the amount would be 21.6% higher than Congress allocation of P203.4 billion this year. This P282.7 billion fund also does not include a P1.23 billion slush fund channeled to government agencies with special security and defense mandates, especially agencies defending the West Philippine Sea. The Philippine Air Force is modernizing its aircraft squadrons based on an aviation plan pushed to 2028, in line with the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines modernization program, which has 3 horizons for its various branches to achieve. Currently, under this horizon, the Philippine Air Force is pushing for at least 1 squadron of multi-role fighter jets under the acquisition program of the same name, with the aim of having a capability that is 1 step higher than the main fighter trainer aircraft owned by the Philippine Air Force. In an interview with Flight Global, officials from Saab have confirmed that they are in talks with several South American, Asian and European countries, including the Philippines, to offer the latest JAS-39EF Gripen for their fighter aircraft needs. Max Defense PH believes that Saab's offer of the latest JAS-39EF Gripen to the Philippines does not meet the current requirement of a minimum of 12 fighters under the current multi-role fighter acquisition project. The Gripen EF offer is more to meet the Philippine Air Force's need for at least 2 more squadrons of multi-role fighters, which it plans to purchase in the next 10 years but after the MRF acquisition project is underway. DND spokesperson Arsenio Andalong said in a statement that Defense Secretary Teodora had emphasized the importance of modernizing the armed forces of the Philippines so that it is better able to protect the country's territorial integrity and interests in its exclusive economic zone, EEZ, adding that the Secretary had asserted that defense acquisitions must also be sustainable, interoperable, and supportable. The Philippines is looking for 4th generation or higher aircraft, suitable for enhancing external defense. Among the contenders for the acquisition are the Saab JAS-39 Gripen and the Lockheed Martin F-16V Viper fighter jet. The MRF project falls under the Armed Forces of the Philippines AFP modernization program currently underway in the Horizon 3 phase. And to take note, the Philippine Air Force are both pursuing for a multi-role fighter jet and additional FA-50s on its inventory, with each having 12 units or what is to be equivalent to a single squadron within the Air Service Branch, whereby the former may serve as a dedicated platform that secure the Philippine Air Defense Identification Zone or PADIZ. while the latter primarily serve as a training platform, doubling as a light combat aircraft, a force multiplier to the multi-role fighter jet. In the end, it would be at the discretion of the leadership within the Philippine Air Force, together with those within the Department of National Defense, whether the acquisition plan to purchase more FA-50PH may push through, as the government may get to prepare to what the Horizon 3 phase may bring by year 2024, with itself coming with larger big-ticket projects intended for the improvement of the armed forces of the Philippines and its overall capabilities until the year 2028.